Shinyeri Ezev as a health center. I'm here to talk about our 2020 Transformation Challenge. If you guys tuned in last month, we kicked off the challenge with what we call our sugarless challenge. Essentially, we were working on eliminating processed sugar from the diet. I'm a big believer in taking small steps to making big changes. So even if you didn't do it perfectly last month, as far as cutting down the processed sugars and sweets, it's okay. Everyone messes up. I messed up a little bit, I'll admit. But it's all about taking those small steps and small changes for a new beginning. So with that being said, my belief is in doing what's called a right now resolution. So we're not going to wait for a new week, a new month, or a new year to really start doing and focusing on our health goals, but we're going to do it right now. So it's all about a right now resolution, not a new year resolution, a right now resolution. So for the month of November, we are going to focus on drinking more water. So our new challenge is the waterfall challenge. So the waterfall challenge is all about us focusing on drinking water, staying hydrated. It's essential to our health. No matter what your health goal is, it's important that you are well hydrated. Your body works to its maximum capacity when you are well hydrated. So with that being said, one way that I have recommended for my patients to start doing is to carry a water bottle around. It's going to remind you to make sure you're drinking the water. I have a 32-ounce bottle of water, and as you can see here, it's not only water. I did add a little bit of flavoring in here, 0-calorie flavoring, to help me just make sure I drink more water. So it's very essential that we try different methods that are going to be effective in helping us basically get our water intake in. So even though this is a new challenge that we're doing this month, I want us to do this in addition to the sugarless challenge. So each month we're basically adding things to the list. So last month it's about eliminating processed sugar. This month is about drinking more water. It's what we are calling our waterfall challenge. So you'll see in the link in the blog post about what the waterfall challenge this month will be, and with more information about tricks and ways that we can basically start drinking more water each day. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call here at the office or contact me at easyhealth@live.com. And I'll be happy to kind of work with you along the way to transforming your health. So again, it's all about our 2020 transformation. As we go into the new year, we're focusing on getting healthy, small steps each month to get us there. All right, take care, guys.